Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn about countries and cities that start with the letter P. Countries starting with P. 1. Pakistan. Pakistan is known for its mountains, rivers, and rich history. 2. Peru. Peru is famous for Machu Picchu, an ancient Incan city. 3. Philippines. The Philippines is an island country with beautiful beaches and tropical forests. 4. Poland. Poland is known for its medieval castles and delicious food. 5. Portugal. Portugal is famous for its explorers, football, and beautiful coastline. Cities starting with P. 1. Paris. Paris is the capital of France, known for the Eiffel Tower and delicious pastries. 2. Prague. Prague is the capital of the Czech Republic, famous for its old castles and bridges. 3. Perth. Perth is a city in Australia, known for its beaches and sunny weather. 4. Phoenix. Phoenix is a city in the USA, famous for its hot desert climate. 5. Pune. Pune is a city in India, known for its universities and rich culture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check the description for more videos.